Good afternoon, everybody. Not exactly the video I was wanting to make anytime soon, but here goes.
She's not acid nor alkaline, caught between black and white, not quite either day or night. She's perfectly misaligned. I'm caught up in her design and how it connects to mine. I see in a different light the objects of my desire.
New Year's Eve, I was texting with the gentleman that I bought the plane from and provided me a hangar for a year. And I've got 2 weeks to be out of the hangar. It's a long story, not going to go into specifics. It's kind of everything's rolling downhill, and I'm at the bottom of the hill. So I'm the one that gets caught with it. So, not giving up on the project. I think I have a place that the plane's going to where I will still be able to work on it. So I'm up here at the hangar today getting as much stuff packed up as I can. I'll show you guys in a minute here. Got all my tools packed. I'll just show you right now. So zoom out again. So I've got my work mat up. All my tools are gone. That is my table that will be going with me. I've got my vacuum, my extension cord, the wings, canopy, canard is back there, and everything else is packed in my car. My wee little car. It actually all fits, which is surprising to say the least. So what the plan is, I believe I have something in place for the plane to go. By plane, I mean fuselage. So I've got a place for the fuselage to go, I think. The wings and the canard are going to be stored in my enclosed trailer. I'm going to make a cradle system that they can sit on. The trailer's not being used for anything. It was my race trailer when I was racing motorcycles. So they're going to go in there. It's all going to be protected on foam, be foam under the straps and everything like that. So that's going to be well protected. My father's got a truck that I can use to move stuff around, and I have secured use of a trailer for moving the fuselage. So long and short of it, it sucks that I have to leave. This is going to put the brakes on this for a couple weeks. And on top of that, like I said before, I really need to get my private pilot's license done. Talked to my instructor the other day, and he's really close, like a month and a half away from going to the airlines. So, and I want to finish my private pilot's license with him. He's a really good guy, a fantastic instructor. So this is going to be put on hold a little bit. I'm going to be doing some stuff here and there to get my private pilot's license done, go to fly the Piper, get more hours under my belt, and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, that's what's going on for right now. Again, what a way to start the new year. Hey, you got to be out of your hangar. Damn. It happens. It's frustrating, but I'm not mad. When I went to buy the plane, he shot me a price. I was happy with the price. And I explained that my worry was I don't have a hangar for the plane, being fiberglass and being as well a condition as it is. I don't want to leave this plane sitting outside. And he offered me a year of hangar space for free. The price of the plane did not increase due to me having hangar for a year. So I've had about 5 or 6 months in this hangar, and I'm incredibly grateful for it. The place I'm planning on going, potentially, this plane wouldn't fit with the wings on, so I had to take the wings off here, and I got a lot of work done here. Panels cut out. I mean, you guys have seen all the videos. You see what all has been done. So with that being said, talking to people that are experienced in the Long Easy community, we were talking about moving the plane, strapping it down to a trailer, and how there is a very good way to do it and there's a very bad way to do it. So I'm going to be talking to people, and I'm going to make a video on how to trailer these things, how to strap them down. The wings and the canard notwithstanding, because that's going to be going in my enclosed trailer. It won't be going on the open trailer with the fuselage. So that'll actually be, you know, pretty cool video to do, because not a lot of people, I really haven't seen a how-to video on how to strap these things down and trailer them. So that'll be coming up. The other one coming up is drilling the new angle extrusions for the engine mount. I have already recorded that, but I'm not happy with it, and I can't redo it, so I'm going to come up with a way to record that, to make a video about it, so I can show everybody what I did, how I did it, even though I can't do it again because I don't have the material to. I am happy with how they worked out, but I want to be able to show you guys how to do it. And I tried, what I tried doing is I tried putting a GoPro on my head and having it face down. It was facing too much up and you can't see what I'm doing. So I'm going to come up with something for that. I might work on that this week, next weekend. But like I said, the next 2 weekends are pretty much going to be working on my private pilot's license and working on the logistics of moving the Long Easy. So anyways, that's where we're at. That's how the project's going right now. The good thing is I'm not selling the plane. I'm not giving up on this project. This is a speed bump, but that's it. This project will continue fairly quickly. This isn't a month or two break that I've got to make on it, or that I've got to take. So with that said, I'm sorry this is just a talking video and no work being done. I appreciate everybody's support. And yeah, like I said, I'm going to get the I'll get the drilling video redone somehow to where it's of value to people, and then we'll go from there. Anyways, until the next project, whenever that happens. See you guys.